the stamp is that the two butterflies are actually attached. So this stamp is wonderful if you make things in bulk, because you can stamp and punch, stamp and punch, stamp and punch, stamp and punch forever until you get an ache on your hand. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are all well and had a fabulous weekend. Today, right, super excited. I found this picture and I'm going to put it on the screen now so you guys can have a look. I was on Pinterest on my way to work. I'm on the tram and on the train, so I got about an hour to kill. So I was on social medias and try and find inspirations and stuff. So I came across this picture, and it was, I typed butterflies, of course. I got two obsessions. One is butterflies, and one is this. Hello. So anyways, I was typing butterflies on Pinterest, and this picture came up, and it was part of the post. It says, I think there were like 12 ways or 14 ways, never mind, it's something like such and such ways to use a book page. So on this picture that you're seeing, the butterfly is actually sewn so that you can see that it's like a stitching. Now, unfortunately, in this house, I'm not allowed to touch Jamie's sewing machine because it does that for his stuff, for his lovely creations, but I'm banned for using it because he said if I use on paper I'll break it, and I was like, no, I promise I'll be careful. No, it's not having it, so I can't use it. And I got a portable small sewing machine, but because these things are so thin and it's so small, it won't work. You need that for like big pieces. Anyway, so I thought I'll have a go at making it because they're really, really pretty. So you can use any stamps, anything that you like. I've got this, bought this from Stampin' Up. I have this for a few years now. It's the Butterfly Gala. It's a beautiful set, all different butterflies. And then I've got the matching punch. It was part of the bundle, so I thought I treated myself, so I did. So I got that and this. So what you guys need to do, really simple as, and then excuse me, and then again, if you don't have any butterfly punches, you can stamp it and then fussy cut it, or you can either draw on a butterfly if you don't have any stamps with the butterflies, and create layers. The secret is to create layers. So let me show you what I've done, and I'm gonna zoom in, and apologies about the state of my fingers. I got glue, I got ink, I got gold, I got all sorts. One thing I wanted to try, and I left it with you guys, so we will try to do it together. Now, on this one, for instance, this is a 2-layer one, so I've got the book page and I've got a proper cardstock. Now, personally, after doing this today, I will highly not recommend to use a book page because it is extremely thin, unless you got a book page that the paper weight is a bit thicker, so it gets a bit of strength, because I know for a fact that this lovely butterfly will probably break. So that's this 2 layers one. Yeah, I think you need some gold. Yeah, so you got this on 2 layers. So I got the plain, the printed on the top, the one I printed on the book page, and then the plain on the back. And this one here is on the other way around. So I got the one I stamped on the background and the plain pink on the top. And I simply, guys, I use this is a paper pad, so 12 by 12. It got these lovely print, but it's not very me, so the back is actually quite it's like a plain pink, so I use that instead. Do think he needs a bit more gold here because it's too plain for my likes. So yeah, so that's 2. Then I did the small one, because when you punch, so on here you get 2 at a time, and when you actually stamp, Oops. Oh, I'm very, very sorry about that. The stamp is that the two butterflies are actually attached. So this stamp is wonderful if you make things in bulk, because you can stamp and punch, stamp and punch, stamp and punch, stamp and punch forever until you get an ache on your hand. So let me just close this because I don't want it to dry. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so that's the small ones. Right, so that's actually 3 layers. 1, 2, and 3. That's 2. And that's 2. And again, I play with plain and print, plain and print. It's so tiny. That. So we said 2. And then I did 3. So again, print, plain print. And then this is another 3 with the book page on top. On here, the book page is on the bottom, but no, it's not a good idea. And then I went a bit mad, and then I have tried 4 layers. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, plain print, plain print. Now, can you imagine if you sewed them all? You can do like a hanging decoration for like a curtain full of butterflies. So if you do like kids' parties or table flavor, because you can use that as a napkin holder. You can do anything that you want. So before I show you, it's 2 seconds how to make it. I want to show you this is the Woolly Steph Art Club prompt paper weaving, and I got a short 15 seconds video's coming up tomorrow on the channel. I just need to finish editing. So it's literally paper weaving. So you do waves. Now, my only thing, I'm doubting myself now when I type, because I will start editing the short, and I think I spelled waving wrong. I need to check. Is it W-A-V? I need to check. But you get the gist. So it just literally, you altered, like you do with textile. But as you can see, I've not done every other. Sometimes I've done 2 and then 1 up, 2 down and 1 up, or sometimes 2 down or 1 up, or 2 up and 1 down. So on. I wanted this paper here, the one with the print, to be the focus one, hence why I focused in on that. So make sure there is a lot of that and less of the plain. And then this is the piece of you saw me do this last year, and I think I needed something to go here but without again compromising the heart shape. And then I just put some gold, and then look at the little butterfly, she's so cute, and I put her in the corner. So again, you can use these butterflies as an embellishment. And then the back of it, because this is going to go on my book anyway, on my art journal, so you won't see it. But what I did is I was trimming the heart, all the little pieces are just gluing back so they stay like, in fact, it probably makes sense if I do that. So yeah, and then I simply draw the heart, the shape heart, and then I cut it. I fussy cut it. I love it. Am I going to do some more videos of paper weaving? It's beautiful. Right, 8 minutes and I've not done anything. So what we're doing, so you get the gist of these little butterflies. Again, you don't have to use what I'm using, because you can use anything that you want. So let's punch that. And then I'll go on. Oh, I think I need to trim these here. So I mean, you can have all them plain, you don't have to have stamped images, but I think they look pretty when you do alternate texture. And then I'm just gonna punch a pink one, and then simply just put some glue in the middle. So very, very simple. Where is the third one? I punched 3, didn't I? Is she gone on the floor? Oh yeah, she's gone on the floor. There she is. So put some glue in the middle, just on the body of the butterfly. And then I'm using this like round things for paper. You can make like your flower, 3D flowers, whatever this tool is called. So yeah, just need to be patient to wait a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to do the same on the back of the butterfly, which is going to be this one. Put some glue. You just need to make sure they're lined up. Yeah. And then as you press down, lift up the wings. So when the glue dries, it dries already on the shape that you want the butterfly to be. I mean, I'm only going to do 3 layers on this one, because you get the gist. Oh, that's the 5 minutes. Wow. So that was the, I think it was 6x6, because our journal page is 6x6. So I did the 6x6 first, and then cut the shape. That's the back. Might do something with this, because what I did, I put glue on top of it after it was all done. So you get, I don't know if what you can see on camera, but you get that gloss finish with a Mod Podge. So I might use this little scraps. Right, that's it, guys. It's super cute, super simple. So I saw this picture and I was like, right, let's have a go and create my own butterflies. Right, guys, super quick tutorial, if you want to call it like that. I don't really call them tutorial, it's more like show and tell, pretty much. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you like those cute butterflies. If you like them, please give me a gold thumbs up, because that will support the video and the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful week. I got a YouTube shorts coming up tomorrow. Then I got another project on Wednesday, and my design team project for GK for Happiness and Crafting on Friday. So I'll see you soon. And in the meantime, you guys, stay safe and well.